What's up guys, Donovan Wagner here, and today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why your business needs video in 2019. Alright, let's start with the basics. Number 1, video increases conversions on average up to 80%. So if you have a video on your landing page explaining your product or showing someone that loves your product or services, you're 80% more likely to sell that product or service to that person after they've seen it. Numero 2, 83% of business owners agree that video has always been a great return on investment. Everyone assumes video is always super expensive, and although it can be, not every business needs a big Hollywood-style film. Sometimes you just need some basic testimonials or explanation of your product and services. So one thing that we love to do for businesses is actually just create social media clips that are 30 seconds to a minute long. This is enough to get people engaged and often is a huge ROI. Reason number 3, Google and other search engines love video. If someone lands on your page from a Google search and you have a video on there that's 5 minutes and they're sitting there watching it, therefore, Google thinks that you have strong, good content. So to put it short, video helps SEO, and everybody loves SEO. Reason number 4, mobile users love video. So 90% of people nowadays are watching videos on their mobile devices. So whether it be YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, people are constantly consuming these videos. So if your business has strong video content, people are going to be watching it on their phones, and mobile traffic is huge these days. Reason number 5 is that video can explain everything. Images are great, they're authentic. However, video is one step further. Now you've got moving images, you have audio, so you can explain things about your product or services, like where to buy it, where to find this, how to go about buying this, how to use it, how to repair it. You can go over everything your consumer needs to know about your product or service, and it leaves less room for questions and more room for conversions. Alright guys, I hope this helps you realize that video is a very important part of your marketing plan. If you have any more questions about content creation, don't hesitate to ask us in the comments below or reach out to us at hiilite.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This series was filmed at the Hiilite Creative Group studio in Kelowna, British Columbia, and is made with the help of our creative team. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check us out at hiilite.com.